In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your song as an MP3 from the Suno app or website. If you've already created a song in Suno and you want to save a copy directly to your smartphone, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to tap and what to look for on the screen. To begin, open the Suno app on your smartphone. If you normally use Suno in a web browser instead of the app, that works too. Just launch your preferred mobile browser and go to the Suno website, then make sure you're signed in to the account where your song is stored. Starting from the correct account is important because your saved tracks will only appear in the matching library. Once you're inside Suno, go to your library. This is where your songs and creations are stored, so if you've made music before, you should be able to find the track you want there. Take a second to scroll if needed and locate the specific song you'd like to download. It helps to double check the title before continuing so you don't accidentally save the wrong version. Next to your song, tap the three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to extra actions for that track. On some screens, the icon may appear directly beside the song, while in others it may be slightly below or aligned to the right, but it will still look like three dots. After that, select Download from the menu that appears. You may then see different file format choices. Choose Audio, and then select MP3 if it's shown as audio.mp3. This option downloads the song as a standard audio file, which is a great choice if you want to listen offline, share it more easily, or move it into another app on your phone. Once you tap the MP3 option, the download should begin. Depending on your device, the file may save to your Downloads folder, your Files app, or your default media storage location. If you don't see it right away, give it a few seconds, and then check your phone's file manager or downloads area, and that's it. Open Suno, go to your library, tap the three dots beside your song, choose Download, and select Audio as an MP3. It's a quick and easy way to keep your music